Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix StarkNet login problems, wallet and RPC errors step by step clearly. Open your StarkNet application or website. Check if you are using the latest version of your wallet. If necessary, update your wallet to the latest version. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Close and reopen your browser to refresh the session. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning. Double-check your wallet connection settings. Disconnect and reconnect your wallet to StarkNet. If you encounter RPC errors, find the correct RPC URL for your network. Open your wallet settings and navigate to the RPC configuration. Add the correct RPC URL if it is not already present. Choose the appropriate network you wish to connect to. Confirm that you are on the correct network for StarkNet transactions. Review any error messages carefully for clues on the issue. If the problem persists, consult the StarkNet community forums for assistance. Reboot your device to resolve any temporary glitches. If the wallet still fails to connect, consider using a different wallet that supports StarkNet. Test the connection again after making these changes. If you have followed all these steps and continue to experience issues, it may be a server-side problem. Wait a while and try connecting again later. Stay informed about any maintenance announcements from StarkNet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.